Imagine the power of two formidable SEO tools, VidIQ and TubeBuddy, joining forces to supercharge your YouTube channel's growth. Intriguing, isn't it? Now let's delve into the exciting world of these SEO apps. VidIQ and TubeBuddy, two names that have become synonymous with success in the realm of YouTube content creation. But what exactly are these tools, and why should they matter to you? Well, these are SEO or search engine optimization tools specifically designed to enhance your YouTube channel's visibility. Let's break it down. You've got fantastic content, but if it's not discoverable, it's like a billboard in the desert. This is where SEO comes in. It ensures your content is seen by the right audience at the right time, thereby boosting your channel's growth. Now onto our dynamic duo. VidIQ and TubeBuddy are not just SEO tools, they are your personal YouTube assistants. They help you with keyword research, ensuring your content aligns with what your audience is searching for. They provide insights into your competitors, giving you a sneak peek into their strategies. And they optimize your video descriptions, making sure they're SEO friendly and engaging. These tools are like your personal YouTube coaches, guiding you through the labyrinth of YouTube algorithms and audience preferences. They're not just about getting you views or subscribers, they're about creating a sustainable growth strategy for your channel. But here's the catch, no two SEO tools are created equal. While VidIQ and TubeBuddy share some common features, they also have their unique strengths. VidIQ, for instance, is known for its in-depth analytics and research capabilities. TubeBuddy, on the other hand, is hailed for its user-friendly interface and extensive list of optimization features. So, the million-dollar question is, do they offer the same features, or does one have an edge over the other? Both VidIQ and TubeBuddy are potent tools in their own right, but do they offer the same features? Let's delve deeper. From the surface, VidIQ might seem like your average SEO tool, but there's more than meets the eye. Let's start with the basics. The free version of VidIQ offers solid ground for video optimization. It's like an SEO primer, providing you with the fundamental tools for keyword research. This allows you to discover what your audience is searching for, and how to align your content accordingly. But then, it's like they say, the devil is in the details, and this is where VidIQ's extended version comes into play. Think of it as your SEO supercharger. It takes you a step further with advanced keyword research, giving you a deeper understanding of what your audience wants. It also offers competitor analysis, arming you with insights on what's working for others in your niche. And let's not forget about trend alerts, keeping you ahead of the curve and in tune with what's hot and trending. VidIQ's extended version certainly packs a punch, but is it the same story for TubeBuddy? TubeBuddy, a name that's familiar to many YouTubers. But what's beneath the surface? Well, let's dive in. The free version of TubeBuddy offers a plethora of features. Basic video optimization tools are at your disposal, helping you craft eye-catching titles, descriptions, and tags. And let's not forget the keyword suggestions that help your content get discovered. But what if you want to go deeper? That's where TubeBuddy's extended version comes into play. With this, you unlock the power of A/B testing, a tool that lets you compare two different video elements to see which performs better. Advanced scheduling features allow you to publish your videos at the optimum time, ensuring maximum reach. And detailed analytics? They're there, giving you a deep dive into your channel's performance so you're always in the know. TubeBuddy's extended version is a powerhouse, but how does it stack up against VidIQ? The battle of the SEO apps has been fierce, and it's clear that both VidIQ and TubeBuddy have their unique strengths. We've delved into the depths of these two powerhouses, exploring their free and extended versions and the unique features they bring to the table. VidIQ, with its comprehensive suite of tools, offers an edge in detailed analytics and competitive research. Its extended version unlocks more potent features that could be the game changer in accelerating your channel's growth. On the other hand, TubeBuddy stands strong in its simplicity and user-friendly interface, making it a go-to for beginners. Its extended version offers advanced functionality, including bulk processing and detailed video SEO. But the key takeaway here is that these tools are not one-size-fits-all. They are designed to meet diverse needs, and the best choice for you will depend on your specific requirements as a content creator. Remember, the right tool for you depends on your unique needs as a content creator. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Share your thoughts or questions in the comment section, and stay tuned for more insightful videos.